Hey guys, are you thinking of locking your hair but want to keep it short, chic and easy? Short dreadlocks are having a major moment. Here are the top styles to inspire your next look. Micro-Loc Bob. First up, this style. It is sophisticated, lightweight, and moves just like loose hair. This style is perfect for the professional who wants elegance without the daily detangling. Finger curl locks. If you are just starting, this style gives you that perfectly defined, uniform look from day one. If you want to feel bold, go for the lock mohawk. Shave the sides and let your locks gravity defy in the center. It's edgy, fierce, and highlights your bone structure. For those who want the ultimate low maintenance cool gear vibe, go for the tapered cut locks. Keep it tight on the back and sides with more length on the top. The sun-kissed ombre. Who says short locks can't have color? Add some honey blonde or copper to the tips to make your texture pop. Slide on some gold cuffs or silver wire. It's like jewelry for your hair. Instant glam for a night out. Short locks aren't just a transition phase, they are a destination. They are versatile, healthy, and uniquely you. Which style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.